Welcome to DesignaKnit 9 video learning series. In this tutorial, we'll be going into original pattern drafting. In this video, we will be creating a modified drop shoulder sweater. I'm going to take a sweater that fits me that I created in standard garment styling. Let's look at the thumbnails. And I'm going to pick this drop shoulder. I would like to cut a little bit out here to reduce some of the bulk in the armhole. Let's work in units of measurement in centimeters. And I would like to move in 2.5 centimeters, which is 1 inch, here and cut it out down to the armhole. So let's select this as the active piece, centralize the piece. In DesignaKnit 8, we had to carefully put in points and use the big cursor and align things. And it is fast in DesignaKnit 9 using a few new tricks. We want to move this point over 2.5 centimeters. So let's select this point first. And I'm going to say Edit Measured Adjustment. And this is new in DesignaKnit 9. I can use this measured adjustment to see exactly where I'm moving vertically and horizontally. If it's freehand, I could move in any direction, and it's telling you I'm a little, you can see, and I'm going to say undo, and look, I have a little undo button right on this window. And with this window open, I can still select any point I want. Just say horizontal constraint. Now when I move things, I can only move them back and forth. And the same holds true if I selected vertical. I could only move it up and down. So we actually want to move this horizontally over 2.5 centimeters, and I could drag it like this and follow the measurements on the screen, or even faster down here, I can just type in that I want this point to move 2.5 centimeters, and it's pointing to the right because I have a positive number. If I put minus 2.5, it would be moving the point to the left, and I'm going to say apply. And look at that, an exact movement. Same thing, I would like to move this point 2.5 centimeters. That's right at the armhole edge. How easy was that? So let's go back. If I selected both of these points at once and said move both of them over 2.5, apply, even faster. So we're mostly there. We still need the point here that's at the edge of the body of the garment. And we can take this point and just move it up. If this point wasn't there, we could have added a point. And there's another trick. Let's select both of these points, measure, align points. And this is another trick that's new in DesignaKnit 9, new feature. Horizontally, I want both of these to line up, and I want it to line up with point number 16, and that will move this 15 up. Let's try that. There you go. How easy was that? Turn off the vertical mirror because we want these changes over here. So when I turn the vertical mirror back on, it's asking me, do I want to reflect points from the left to the right? Yes. And there we go. This was fast. So let's go and do the same thing to the back. Edit, measured adjustments. I have my 2 points selected. If I didn't have them selected and I have this window open, I could do it now, either before or after. Horizontal, move them over 2.5 centimeters, apply, and now we want to select these 2 points, measure, align points horizontally, and we would like to align this point up to even with point number 10, which we have. Done. Turn the vertical mirror off. Turn the vertical mirror back on. Yes, reflect the points. And let's zoom out. Look how fast this is. We're almost done. We've taken an inch out of here, and so if we took these sleeves and socketed in this inch, this sleeve would be an inch too short now. So we need to insert an inch of length, which is 2.5 centimeters. Let's zoom in here, and we want to actually, you have this knit straight region, we want to insert in here so that that fits right in here nicely. So here's our insert length, and we're going to move so that it's in between those 2 points, and we're going to insert 2.5 centimeters. And now that's been adjusted. Let's go over to this one. Insert length right here, 2.5. Done. This was very easy. So File, Save As. I don't want to save over the one that I had before. I'm going to call this Sweater for Me. Modified, drop, shoulder. Thank you.